Morning, beautiful people. So what a way to wake up. I woke up this morning feeling absolutely terrible. Still not feeling 100. But let me show you what we came across. Cobus came to fetch me and said, come and look what's in the swimming pool. The previous time we couldn't save them before the swimming pool's pump sucked them up. But just look at this. The mom and the dad has been on the premises for a while, but they finally got more babies. They are so gorgeous. They've been in the swimming pool for quite a long time. So the mom and the dad with the other two is right over there. I'm trying to get them back to these four.
Sit net stil en sal hulle weer opkom. Onthou, jy moet asemhaal. Ek dink julle kan uitkom nie.
Kyk dit. Hallo liefie. Ek sien hulle gaan niks vir hulle vat nie.
Moet ons nou uithaal, dink jy, wat?
Ek dink nie so nie, hulle gaan bly terugklim.
Ja, maar hulle kan nie uitkom.